Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain conditional formatting formula in a table. So guys, I have already one formula, so just I will copy this. Delete this first. I will newly created, select this group equal to a group. Okay, now I will log this column by pressing function F4. Okay, two times, third time. Okay, just hit enter button. See, automatically if any group is matched with the A, it will return as a true, remaining all are written as a false. Now I will copy this formula. So go to conditional formatting, click on new rule option, select this use a formula to determine which cells to format. Just enter over here. Okay, just select this format, then select this yellow color, click on OK button, again click on OK button. Automatically that particular conditional formatting gets applied. Okay, so like this we can apply conditional formatting in a formula now, and also we can change this conditional formatting rule more interactive. So let's suppose if I enter a here. Okay, now again go to conditional formatting, then select manage rules, then click on edit rule option. Now I will remove this A option. I will give based on cell reference. Okay, so select this cell, click on OK button, apply, again click on OK button. Now it is A, right? Now I will change this as a B. Okay, just enter button. See, automatically whatever B group have in this table, that B group is automatically highlighted. Now if I enter C group get highlighted. Okay, now if I enter D, hit enter button, nothing is presented in this group as a D, so that's why it is not written any condition. Okay, again I will enter A, just hit enter button. See, whatever group is equal to A, that values are highlighted. So like this we can use this condition formatting formula in a table. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.